going on everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Japanese animated science fiction film that is aired around May 24, 2019. And this is actually a new anime that I haven't been seen from 5 years ago, and now Moderoid made a model kit out of that, and I was curious about the design of this kit. That's why I bought this. So this is none other than the Good Smile Company Moderoid LIO De Galon from the anime Promare. So now, after searching and reading about the plot of this animated movie action film or animated action film, I'm now curious to watch this because the story is a little bit interesting. It's a science fiction action film, to be honest, and now Moderoid made an action model kit out of it. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside this Promare LIO De Galon. So the box here shows the main character, LIO De Galon, and what I've read and understand from that plot from the internet is this is not a mecha character, but it's like a humanoid flame-like creature from the story, and that's why I became curious on how the story will go on that anime. So I'm excited to watch this also after I build this kit. So I presume that this is not a mecha model kit, so this is like an action figure or an action model kit, something like that. So there's no basis that this is a mecha character, but correct me if I'm wrong because I didn't watch it yet. So if I'm wrong, you can comment the correction in the comment section. So we can see here this Promare here, which looks like a burning legion to me, the burning golem from Warcraft. It has a resemblance from that creature in this game, on that game. So he wields an energy spear, something like that, which looks like an umbrella. And I like the fancy color of this kit because the blend of the dark blue with neon yellow and pink with some bluish white energy field, something like that, which is very nice. It looks tantalizing to the eyes. So on the side of the box, we can see LIO De Galon and another LIO De Galon there, the other side. And here in the back view of the box, we can see the action pose from the anime, and there's the rear view. To be honest, it looks anime-ish, this kind of model kit and printout. So we can see here Promare or the LIO De Galon doing some clenched fist pose, kneeling pose, and this gunbuster looking pose where he do cross arms, something like that. So there we can see the bottom, LIO De Galon from Moderoid. And if we open the box, we can see this air bubble wraps to protect the energy effect parts, which are sharp looking plastic here. It looks translucent white. And again, we have another translucent white energy effect parts. So we have two of this bigger one and a smaller one. So I like how Moderoid protect it by using this air bubble wraps. And we have here black parts, which doesn't look like in the anime where it looks like a dark blue, but it's black here inside the plastic. Maybe I'm percepting it wrong. And there we have here a pre-painted part, pink and blue part here for the face, and there's this pre-painted parts for the face here. We have neon colored yellow, which is like a stabilo highlighter colored yellow. And there we have black ball joint parts. Okay. Then we have here energy effect parts for the spear and for the head, I presume. So these are nice looking parts here, and we have here a set of interchangeable hand parts with the ball joint as connector. Then we have another energy effect parts for the spear. Then we have here black parts for the armor pieces. Then we got here neon yellow colored parts for the inner frame, I presume. And there we have the instruction manual, which is very nice colored printout. And there we have the separated parts list page. We have here the LIO De Galon manual. There we can see the sticker placement. By the way, this kit got a bunch of stickers for the pink parts, or the pink effect parts. So it will complement or contrast the stabilo colored yellow into this silhouette, something like that. So we'll use stickers, bunch of stickers for this kit. So I remember the Dr. Yellow thing, or the Dr. Yellow model kit that I built a month ago, where it used tons of stickers as well, such like this. Anyway, this is the sticker placement part instruction, and there we can see how to arrange or assemble the kit here. So it's not that complicated, and the way I perceive this kit is it's like an easy build, but the sticker will be tedious task to apply. And there, it's not that hard to assemble. So for me, it will be a beginner-friendly kit. Okay, so these are the manual, which is very nice. So let's check the parts from the runners. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start with this neon yellow stabilo colored parts here, which are runner Bs. So these are two runner B here. So this will act as your inner frame parts. And we have runner A for the torso parts. So these are your neon yellow colored parts, and we have here pre-painted pink and blue part here for the face. Then we have runner M here for the pre-painted parts for the head, for the face, and this one for the eyes. Then we got here ball joints inner frame part, which is runner N. Then we got here black matted part. So my perception for this kit color is correct, which is black color. So it's a matted black armor pieces, which is runner F. So another runner F. So we have two runner F here. Then we got runner D and runner C, runner E, and another runner E. So we have two sets of runner E. Then for the hand parts, we have runner K here. These are interchangeable hand parts. And then let's go here to the translucent white parts here for the energy effect parts. So I find that this kit is somehow brittle looking, but this is made out of ABS, so don't worry. It's a little hard, and it just looked brittle, but I hope it's not when I assemble this. So this is for the spear, by the way. It's runner H. Then we got here runner I for smaller energy effect part pieces. So these are runner I. And we have runner J here for the bigger energy effect parts, and I presume this is for the feet. We will place it on the feet. And we got here two runner Gs for the energy spear. So there's this design here. It's like a banderitas. So if you're going to apply this, it's like a banderitas for your spear, and your spear looks like umbrella. Then we got here a pink sticker for the pink effect parts that will contrast the stabilo colored yellow on your kit. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing review of my Moderoid Good Smile company LIO DE GALON from the anime Promare. And I thank KOSHO etc. Online shop here in Shopee Philippines, which is my trusted platform. And this KOSHO etc. Page there is from Japan, and that's an overseas store. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat.